How do your birds sleep? In a room by themselves, complete darkness, and as little sound as possible? While I know this issue of how long and where birds sleep is very controversial, it's also very important. I want the birds to be part of the family and them to be used to the noises and the lights that are around them day and night. They are pretty close to the kitchen and living room. Although they are in a dark room, there's light coming from both ends of it. They'll hear the ice maker, they'll hear people talking, people coughing. If the dogs get alarmed about something, they hear a dog bark. And I think that's fine. Yes, they do startle, but so do I. If I'm not expecting a noise, it's going to startle me. However, a bird that sleeps outside, a person that sleeps outside, a dog that sleeps outside, there's noises out there too. But my point is, everybody has different noises that we have to sleep with. And I think it makes having a bird a lot more of a chore to have a separate cage or a separate room for them to sleep in when they can do just fine where their cage is during the day.